In this video, I will explain how to fix black wallpaper issue on Windows. Watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom left, open a Start menu and search Control Panel. Open Control Panel, go to the top right here and select Large Icons. Here go to Ease of Access Center and click on Make the computer easier to see. Here scroll down and make sure Remove Background Images is not activated. If it was on like this, just gonna turn it off and click on Apply. If it's still not working, you're just gonna right click here and click on Personalize. Here you can choose a wallpaper for your computer. You can just do a color, for example, or you can choose a picture from your files if you would like to. I'm just gonna do blue. And this is how you can fix the black wallpaper problem on your computer. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.